Want to know how to load and copy a bet code on 1xBet? Welcome to today's quick tutorial. When you first open the 1xBet app, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard, which displays all the top live matches and pre-match sporting events available for the day. Before you can successfully place a bet using a copied code, you will need to have an active account. To get started with this, simply look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the green Register button. The app will present you with a few different registration options to choose from. To ensure your account is fully secure and ready to access all the features, select the full registration method from the list. Now take a moment to fill out your personal details accurately, including your region, date of birth, and preferred account currency. Make sure to enter a valid email address and phone number so you can easily verify and secure your new account. As you scroll down to the bottom of the registration form, you will see a promo code section. Type in METV here to unlock a special sports bonus for your new account, and then hit register to finish setting everything up. Now, to actually use a bet code that you've copied from a friend or a tipster, navigate to the Bet Slip tab located at the bottom menu. Here, you will want to select the Load Bet Slip option from the list. A small window will pop up asking you to enter the bet slip code. Simply paste or type the bet code you want to copy, like S8NZD for example, and then hit the blue Upload button to pull up the matches. Instantly, the entire accumulator will be copied and loaded right into your bet slip, showing you the combined odds and allowing you to enter your desired stake amount. Just place your bet and you're good to go. If you found this quick guide helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips.